North Korea. Since the Korean War of the 1970s, North Korea has been a repressive dictatorship. The Korean War was a bloody conflict that began when North Korea invaded South Korea. It lasted until 1953. Since then, North Korea has been a totalitarian dictatorship with pretty much all the hallmarks of a communist regime. The country is ruled by the Kim dynasty, and the country has various prison camps which, if the accounts of escapees are to be believed, are very, very horrible, on par with the Nazi concentration camps of World War II. Basic freedoms don't exist in North Korea. Religion is banned. Anything that criticizes the government is banned, etc. In North Korea, the government owns and runs everything. Under the government's direction, North Korean workers produce pretty much everything. They grow rice, potatoes, corn, raise livestock. They produce iron, chemicals, steel, machinery, etc. North Korea is a country of extremes. The ruling class lives in relative luxury. The supreme leader of Kim Jong-il reportedly has many palaces throughout the country, and outside of Pyongyang, there's very little electricity or plumbing. In fact, looking at a satellite image of North Korea at night reveals the country as very backwards, except for Pyongyang and a few other tunes. Not much is known about North Korean society, as the country is very isolated and closed off. The government isolates it from the rest of the world. Foreign broadcasts and media are strictly forbidden. The country has no internet, and the few tourists that are permitted to enter the country are strictly surveilled by Mandas 24/7. The majority of the information about the country that isn't propaganda has been leaked out of the country by defectors and tourists alike. For example, the average North Korean is smaller and lighter than their South Korean siblings. This is because, except for the ruling class, the people of North Korea have very little to eat. The very, very low quality of life is mainly due to the government's stranglehold on all aspects of the economy. The only way most North Koreans can survive is by using the black market. North Korea is more mutinous than its southern neighbor, and has great material wealth, despite the poverty of its citizens. The climate is a continental one, but is largely moderated thanks to the ocean on both sides.